gonna be a quick one here. Howdy, howdy. How we doing? I had somebody mention that they wouldn't mind seeing or would like to see the blade effects for the Theory Sabers SNV4. So I got my soul light here, and I'm just going to use the app to make this a little bit more streamlined. So right now we got just your standard deal there. I already did the boot effects on the video for this, but I'll just run through the effects real quick. Both of them, the boot effects and the blade effects. So we'll do the blade effects first, since that's the one I didn't do on the other video. So that was just your standard blade. Blade 2. So here's 2. Seizure-ish.
Blade 3.
Number 3. Heavy breathing.
Blade 4.
Rainbow. I think I can change these actually what's on. Let's see here.
Blade
Yep.
5.
Spectrum, so it just changes through all the colors.
Blade 6.
Unstable-ish kind of looking.
Blade 7.
I believe this is the fire style kind of blade, so it's got like fire out of the bottom.
Blade 8.
It's like green, pink, and white. Some of these change as you change the blade color as well, so keep that in mind, but these are like all the default kind of ones, at least on this blue blade. Or I think these are default in general.
Blade
9. Cracked blade, I think is what this is. Basically, it's kind of like a shimmer, almost like rain would be hitting the blade.
Blade 1.
And then back to 1. See if we can do the boot while we're on here.
Ignition 2.
Maybe that's the like Predator kind of style one.
Ignition 3. Ignition 4. Ignition 5. Ignition 6. Ignition 7.
The Stargate one. Definitely one of my favorites, although I don't know how practical, but
Ignition 8.
Pod Racer one, that was number 8.
Ignition 9.
Sorry, that one cut out there. Here's number 9.
Ignition 10.
The Oh My God one.
Ignition 11.
Stack. That's 12. It doesn't say it, but kind of cool. It goes from green to whatever color.
Ignition 1.
And back to 1. So there's your blade effects and your ignition effects on the Theory Saber SNV4 internals. And I'll be back here in a flash in a second. I'll do the SN internals, or if you were to get a Saber without internals and you were to go on and get the SN internals from like TXQ or something like that off of whatever website, AliExpress or any of the other ones you can get them from, those have a couple different ones as well. Most of them are the same, couple extras on there. So I will be back just in a flash here with those once I get that one set up here. This is on the Latha, and we're just going to go straight through it. So here's your standard one. And
Unstable blade.
there's unstable.
Pulse blade.
Here's your pulse.
70-80%. Rainbow blade.
Rainbow.
Infinite blade.
Call it infinite.
Wave blade.
Wave blade.
Fire blade.
There's your fire. So you notice different color gives you different accent colors or effect colors.
Flash blade.
Flash, so that's now blue, white, and like red.
Crack
cracked blade.
Custom blade 1.
So this is custom blade 1. This is something that is that differs between the Theory Saber one and the other one. So it's like, you can see how it's kind of shifting there from bottom to top.
Custom blade 2.
Here's custom 2, so it's just all the colors.
Custom blade 3.
Don't really know, it's like an unstable-ish.
Custom blade 4.
Kind of a fiery-ish.
Custom blade 5.
There's 5.
Custom blade 6.
It's like a purple on the bottom. It goes between like purple and blue depending on on the different areas of the blade.
Custom blade 7.
Same thing, blue down here, purple up here.
Custom blade 8.
Blue, yellowish green, blue, yellowish green, something like that.
Custom blade 9.
Greenish yellow into blue.
Custom blade 10.
Purple and white, kind of very unstable, a little bit of white and black in there.
Stable blade.
And there's your standard. Now your boot effects.
Hunter ignition. Cross ignition. Phaser ignition. Photon ignition. Broken ignition. Machine ignition.
There's that Stargate one again. We'll skip down because it's a little bit long, but same thing as the other one. I'll just let it do it.
Burst ignition. Hunter stack ignition. Oh my G. Stack ignition. Sputtering ignition.
Sputtering is what they call that one.
Standard ignition.
And back to standard. So there you go. That's the effects on both of those. Hope that helps with anyone looking for those. And we'll catch you in the next one.